Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really special for all the little Peppa Pig fans out there. We are unboxing the Peppa Pig Bedtime Little Library. This delightful collection is a perfect way to make bedtime stories fun and engaging for your little ones. So let's dive in. Here it is. The first thing I notice is the adorable cover featuring Peppa and George. You can get this adorable set for just 222 rupees on Amazon. Now let's take a closer look at the books included in this set. We have 4 lovely titles: Bath Time, Story Time, Dream Time and Bedtime. The books come in a compact little library format, making it super easy to carry around. Perfect for bedtime stories at home or on the go. First up is Bedtime. Each book is designed with sturdy board pages, making them durable and easy for little hands to turn. Let's read through Bedtime. Yawn, says Peppa and George together. They are both very sleepy. Time for bed, sleepyheads, says Mummy Pig. Peppa and George hop into their bunk beds. Daddy Pig tucks the little piggies in. Night night Peppa, night night George. Close your eyes, says Mummy Pig, turning off the light. It's time for Peppa and George to go to sleep. Snore, snore, snort, Mummy and Daddy Pig. It's time for them to go to sleep too. Dream Time. Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy Pig are all fast asleep. Peppa is dreaming about being a princess. Hee hee, snort. George is dreaming about a dinosaur. Dinosaur roar! Mummy Pig is dreaming about going on a holiday. Ah, lovely! And Daddy Pig is dreaming about taking a nap. Snore, snore. Next, story time. Peppa and George are all ready for bed. Time for a bedtime story, says Daddy Pig. I like stories about princesses, Daddy, says Peppa. Dinosaur roar, roars George. He likes stories about dinosaurs. Right, begins Daddy Pig with a great big yawn. Once upon a time, there was a princess and a dinosaur. They had a very busy day and were very tired, so they went straight to bed, says Daddy Pig. The end. Next, bath time. Peppa and George love jumping up and down in muddy puddles, especially giant ones. Peppa, George calls Daddy Pig. It's bath time. We are a little bit muddy, says Peppa. Splash, splash. Peppa and George love splashing in the bath. Haha, says Daddy Pig. Time to get out. We are a little bit wet, says Peppa. So are we, says Mummy Pig. Hee hee hee, everyone giggles. Overall, the Peppa Pig Bedtime Little Library is a fantastic addition to any child's bookshelf. It's engaging, beautifully illustrated, and perfect for those cozy bedtime moments. I can't wait to read these with my little one. If you're interested in getting this set, I will leave links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fun unboxings and reviews. Thanks for watching.